already. Alright, I understand that probably the quality of like the noise around me, with like because it's so dark outside, it's gonna probably make the video look bad, but I don't care. I have to get this workout done in like less than like 40 minutes because I have a train around like 7:34 and I'm leaving my house around 6. So pretty much all we're doing today is just doing back and triceps, and so all we're gonna do today is I'm gonna do like start with one compound for my back. So that's gonna be my, let's see, that'll be my weighted pull-ups. So we're gonna do neutral grip today. Then we're gonna probably do maybe like, I guess it's gonna be like 60s. So that'll be a 45, a 10, and a 5. If I'm doing my math correctly, it's like 4:30 in the morning. Who knows? I don't care. And then we got probably just do some machine stuff for just rows. Just finish those off. Then right after that, just gonna do possibly my compound for triceps and do like weighted dips. Then go right into some tricep push downs. Then finish off with some skull crushers, and just gonna do like drop sets on almost everything. Just try to just pump up my triceps and my back as much as possible. But essentially, that's all we're gonna do for the workout today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah. And if I don't see you guys before then, have a happy Thanksgiving as well, and spend some good time with your family. Get those gains in, get some good food, carb up, and get ready to lift. I'll see you guys in the next one.